mga lason! Kahit tayo no, sa Dubai area. Look mga lason! Nagami lang headdress.
The Ati have had to trade parts of their authentic identity for the demands of tourism. While some traditions remain, they are often showcased more for entertainment than for cultural preservation. So, mga hilason no, pwede kang mo-try sila ang mga gadgets no, mga kinaraan kaayo.